Good day, everyone. I'm going to do a presentation on vulnerability assessment using Golismero, which is an ethical hacking tool. It is a vulnerability assessment tool for websites and the web servers. It is an open source intelligent and information gathering tool based on OSI and it is capable of doing everything almost needed for reconnaissance, which is a very important part of penetration testing or ethical hacking. It integrates with just every data source available and utilizes a range of methods for data analysis. It is also used to get information about the target. The information includes all platforms, real platforms, information about the vulnerabilities in a website, whether is it a port, whether is a software, whether is it anything that is related to a website. This information can be used to manipulate the victim's machine by the attacker. So a vulnerability can be defined as the weakness of a computer system which can be exploited by attacking the system to perform unauthorized actions and for gaining unauthorized access to a system. The attacker can do almost anything in the system, such as breaching and stealing sensitive information. For example, installing malware. This is the critical impact of the system. The critical impact on the system of a vulnerability is exploited. So it is vital for ethical hackers to do vulnerability assessment for their targets, or it is also useful for penetration tests to do vulnerability assessment to see if their systems or their web systems are vulnerable to attacks. So this demonstration, I'm going to use the graphical user interface. So I go to vulnerability assessment and choose Golismero. So as you can see here, these are the parameters that we can use for vulnerability assessment using this Golismero. We can scan a website, it shows the results on the screen. We can also grab nmap results, scan all holes found and write on HTML report. You can also grab results on OpenVAS and show them on screen. It can also show a list of available configuration profiles. You can also show a list of available plugins. You can also show information on all brute forcing plugins. So these are the parameters that we can use. So now I'm going to start my demonstration on Golismero and putting all the 2 or 3 parameters that I can use. So I need to start with the quick scan on a certain website. Quick, so I say www. I'll just use CAT website for educational purposes. CAT.ac.zw. No, let me use Might I Attack website. Let me check for Might I think I've opened, yeah, let me check for Might I Attack website. Golismero is now doing the scanning. Is the scanning process. As you can see here, there's a IP geolocator is being used to do the scanning process, the vulnerability assessment on the Might I Attack website. The process is still going on. The process can take a bit of time, but I had already run some of these commands before recording, so I can just show you the results of the analysis that I have done. Okay, this is the vulnerability assessment that I have done on the Might I Attack website. The summary of the results is written here. Audit started at 2021-10, 2020 7 October 2021. around 1555 and ended at 1558. It took almost 3 minutes. So scanned the hosts, there are number of hosts that were scanned, and the vulnerabilities that were found is 0. So let me show you another vulnerability scan that I have done on this system. So let me show you here. Let me go up and show you the report. It's up again. Okay. This is the scan that I have done on a certain website, but I'm not going to mention the name. It's saying the number of scanned hosts 3. The number of vulnerabilities found is 1. The title, suspicious URL found on robots.txt, found by robots text analyzer. The level of severity is low. The CVV base is 2.9. So thank you for taking time to listen to this presentation. So through this Golismero, you can do vulnerability assessment on your attacker. On when you want to attack someone, you can gather information. This is during the reconnaissance, and it will be easy for the hacker to attack the victim's web server. So it is vital in ethical hacking. Thank you.